Beachwear of the 11th Misters of Filipinas. You are the first to move on to our top 10. Misters of Filipinas, Laguna, Jose Angelo Camas. Misters of Filipinas, Province of Samar, Elviro Felix Jr. You are also part of the top 10 in Best in Beachwear. Misters of Filipinas, Muntinlupa City, Dr. Argana. Next is Misters of Filipinas, Cebu Province, Raed Alcayer. Next is Misters of Filipinas, Zamboanga City, Kurt Del Rosario. Goes to Misters of Filipinas, City of Manila, Espanol. This spot belongs to Misters of Filipinas, San Pablo, Laguna, Dave Franco. Take the 8th spot, Misters of Filipinas, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, John Nava. Two more spots left, and this one belongs to you, Misters of Filipinas. First District, Las Piñas, Ale del Rosario. But definitely not the least, Misters of Filipinas, Cebu City, Gian Antonio Vinicelli. Ladies and gentlemen,